Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will explain how you can add Google reviews to your Shopify store. This video is specifically goldmine for the people who are offering local SEO services to their Shopify clients, because the biggest issue is how you can display the Google reviews on your Shopify store, because it increases the customer trust. So normally people tend to use the shortcuts like they as a developer, if I tell you, we make a carousel and copy just Google reviews and then we display it. But this was not the effective method. The method is that it automatically should fetch the reviews from the Google in real time and then display on the Shopify store. So I have found this app, and luckily this is one of the best apps that I found, and that's the only reason I'm recommending this app. And I will leave the link to the description, to the leave a link to the installation link of the app. You can download the app and let me know if there is an issue. I have been in contact with the app support for a long time, with their officials also, and luckily they are very kind enough that they provide top notch support. So in case of any issue, you can just leave a comment, and you will get the priority support. I assure you. But it's compulsory that you install the app using my link. Only then you can avail the top level support. Okay, so I think enough promotion. Now let's move towards the original stuff. So this is the app. Sorry, this I've copied the wrong link. So this is the app. Yes. Okay. So this is the app. You will click this link and then you have to log in into your store. Obviously, not a big deal. I hope you all know how to do this. I'm just trying to make sure. So this is the wrong store. I have to select the right store. If you have multiple stores, obviously you have to take care of the stuff. So now let's try to install this app. And this is very cheap app, and you can see it's only like $7, and the features that is provided are more than the $7. You can trust me on it. So it's taking a bit of time to install the app, and this is a development store, so I don't have to worry about installing or starting the trial, because obviously there are some benefits of the development store. So you have to pay for the monthly, and obviously there will be minimum of 7 days trial. But I'm trying my best to get almost 20 days trial. I'm trying my best for now, till the date I'm making this tutorial. I'm trying my best to contact the support and increase the trial period. Currently there is 7 day trial. So this is the dashboard of the app, and very straightforward. There is nothing that is complex. Basically there are three parts of this app. So request review, you can request the review from your customers if you want. This is not compulsory. Customers can easily do the stuff, but it's not something that is very helpful to you. And this is collect reviews. Obviously you can collect the reviews on the checkout page. I'm not sure if you want, if it is compulsory or not, but if your brand, if you're working for a brand, or if you're a brand owner, and if you think that adding this feature on the checkout page will increase the conversions, then add it. Otherwise just skip this step. Okay, this is an optional step. You basically it will take permissions to the checkout page and then display the review panel so that customers can review. But obviously you have to give almost every permission to it for checkout. So this is not recommended from my side, but obviously if you want, you can add it. That's it. Okay, so this is the main thing. If you click on Google reviews, and this is where the magic happens, the app that I love the most. So you have to add your Google business. So don't need to watch this video, you're already watching my video. Okay, so add business and sign in with Google. So I have like two businesses in Google. So I will uh, display one of the business to show you how. So basically it will also read your emails, but don't worry, it is a trusted app. Okay. Okay, continue. And um So if you are using any client store, you make sure that you have access to their Google account, which in which their business is listed. So for example, my business is listed in gamustafa11 at the gmail.com. Currently, I have two businesses. This is my client business. This is my own business. So I will click on save, and then my business is listed. This is commerce soul, obviously, and then I can add the widget to storefront. So but make sure that you have enabled the app in the theme customization. Okay, but I think it will be done. So this is the list carousel, this is the grid carousel, this is sticky ratings. So as you can if you scroll down, it will show you how it actually looks like. So this is the grid. So this is test compact rating. So this is one of the best features of this app, that you can display the Google reviews in a way that can attract customers. Before that, showing the Google reviews in real time was not so easy. As you can store locator, you can also show the store locator, and then you can something. This is Mendo Masonry. I'm sorry if I pronounce it wrong. So this is the list. I personally like, and I personally would recommend dual row carousel. This is the best one, and I don't think so that there is a better option than it. And then minimum reviews to display 4 stars. Don't transmit. Okay, no, I don't want display a generate. Okay, so homepage. So now I will add the widget to homepage. I have already selected the dual row carousel, and then it will open the theme customization. Okay. So as you can see, I'm in the home page, and this is automatically added dual row. And as you can see, this is the list, and also this is the carousel. So currently I'm not a fan of list. I will just delete it. It is just make sure that in the theme, in the app embeds, this is enabled actually. So sticky slider is not enabled. I think we should basically enable it, so that if we plan to add it in the future, we can just add it. So it is already added on the homepage. After embedding the app, I will go to the home screen. As you can see, this shiny Google reviews are showing in front of me. This is the best thing of this. And as you can see, this is something no one can refuse, and they will leave a review. So basically, the upper row is moving very fast, slow, and the lower row is the bottom row is moving fast. And if we click it, we can also just slow down it a bit. So this is something really cool. And let's see if it has the title option or not. Basically, you have to add a separate section for the title if you want to show the title. But if you want to add a more section, let's see which sections can we add. Carousel to compact rating. So if you want to add so this is depreciated, just leave it. Okay, compact rating. So this is the easiest way. Any non-coder can add the Google reviews without any external help. So it will take, for example, a few seconds to just display this one. I have just display compact rating. So beautiful. This is beautiful compact rating. For example, if you just want to show the compact rating, just rating, and engage the people that you have a presence on Google. Obviously, you can do something like this. Let's check another one. Obviously, we don't have to check everything. And carousel too. Let's check this one. So obviously one thing is missing. This heading is missing, but I would recommend that you add a section and add a heading for it, so that it looks good. Okay, because without heading, I don't like it, to be very honest. So this is one of the best things. And as you can see, this is also very cool. Basically, your brand name is on the left side, and the reviews are automatically scrolling. So this is autoplay. This is also cool, but this is my favorite. The best thing that I will do is to add a section and add a heading just top of the app, and then I will be good to go. This is one of the best things to engage your customers. Along with InstaFeed, I will also recommend to check out my other video and add the InstaFeed also. Uh, so you will just have to enable the rich text, and then we obviously we can add a heading from here. So for example, rich text. I'm just showing you a way. So you have to remove the button, and text, and then heading check out us on Google, something like this. Check us on Google. Okay, there's no better way to build the trust than this. So for example, just drag it down. So something like this. I think that's perfect. Over to my favorite. Sorry, to my favorite. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. So you can add some catchy line. Also, you can add the copy. But my purpose was to show you how you can actually do it. So if you have any other confusion, or if you think that I have not explained anything regarding this app, or if you have any confusion regarding this app, please let me know. And obviously, to get the top notch score for this app, you can just leave a comment, or you can email me that I have signed up, installed the app using your link, and I am facing this issue. Please give me top priority access or support, and I will be very responsive to you. I have been in contact with the app support, and obviously the persons behind the app, and I'm really satisfied how they are conscious about the app, and how easy they have made this app. So let me know in case of an issue. I'll be waiting for your reviews. Thank you very much.